New leaks reveal the iPhone 18 Pro Max's display sizes, under-screen Face ID, and more, and honestly, you won't believe this bold new design. With Apple still around 8 months from launch, the rumors are already hinting at one of the most significant iPhone redesigns in years. According to a new leak from Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max could keep the same display sizes as last year while introducing under-screen Face ID. If true, this could mark the beginning of the end for the pill-shaped cutout that has defined modern iPhones since the dynamic island first appeared. Today, we'll break down everything leaked so far, what it means for iPhone design, how reliable this source is, and what Apple's 2026 lineup might look like across all models. The leak comes from Digital Chat Station, a Weibo account with over 3 million followers known for accurate Apple rumors. They've previously predicted display specs, camera upgrades, and internal hardware changes. Of course, no leak is perfect. Apple could still tweak plans, but the tech community takes this one seriously. According to the leak, Apple will keep the iPhone 18 Pro at 6.3 inches and the Pro Max at 6.9 inches, the same as last year. It might sound boring, but this consistency lets Apple focus on improving display tech, internal components, and the overall experience. The 6.3-inch Pro is perfect for one-handed use, while the 6.9-inch Pro Max prioritizes battery life and media consumption. The big change? Both Pro models could feature under-screen Face ID. Since the iPhone X in 2017, Apple has gradually reduced the notch, from a full notch to the dynamic island. Now, if these leaks are accurate, Apple might finally hide all true-depth sensors under the display, creating a near-uninterrupted front screen. This would allow for a smaller hole-punch front camera in the top left corner and potentially keep the dynamic island as a software feature, appearing only when needed. Standard models like the iPhone 18 and iPhone Air 2 won't get under-screen Face ID yet, but they could gain 120Hz LTPO displays. This keeps the Pro models as the headline feature carriers while trickling tech down over future generations, maintaining a clear upgrade ladder for users. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are expected in September 2026, with standard models potentially arriving in March 2027. If these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro could be remembered as one of the most important redesigns since the iPhone X, not for flashy colors, but for what you won't see: no visible sensors, just clean glass and pixels. Apple looks ready to bring the perfect uninterrupted display closer than ever.